Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to add a profile photo on UpScrolled. A profile picture makes your account feel more personal and helps others recognize your content. So here's how you can add a profile photo on your new UpScrolled account. First of all, open the UpScrolled app on your device and log into your account. From the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will open up your profile section where you'll need to click Edit Profile from the top. Now click on your current profile icon or initial and click on Select New Photo at the bottom. You can go ahead and select whether the camera option or the gallery option. To take a picture right away from your camera, tap on Camera and click a selfie of yours. To add and upload existing photo, tap on Gallery. You'll land in your device's camera roll. Select a photo you'd like to use for your profile picture on UpScrolled. Once you do that, adjust the picture within the frame. You can also use some of the filters from the bottom. Finally, after finding the correct filter, tap on Done at the top right corner. Now click on the check mark at the top right on the next page, and you have successfully uploaded and added a profile photo for yourself on UpScrolled account. This is a perfect way to make your profile feel more you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.